a question I've been wanting to ask you for a very long time. Baby girl, you're looking so fine. I would like to know if you'd like to be mine, cause you got me looking at you all the goddamn time. Got me feeling so high, I think I'm going blind. Looking into your eyes, got me feeling so admired. Why am I the only one looking at you with an expression of surprise? Or is it just me losing my mind? Cause you always seem to smile every time I walk by. Whenever I'm not around, you catch the corner of my eye. Girl, I ain't gonna lie, no, we gotta take it slowly between you and I. But I really hate that feeling, cause you're always on my mind. Then I ask myself why am I letting this feeling get to me deep down inside? Be mine, be mine.
Baby, won't you be mine? We can spend a lifetime, baby. Baby, won't you be mine? Ooh, baby, won't you be mine? We can spend a lifetime, baby. Baby, won't you be mine? Ooh,
Anei te raru ko ngā roketa tau te kaupapa mo te kupu aroha. Maua e kōrero ai ko ngā tanenga hine kua hinga ai ki raro henga mo te mahi tīnana ki tīnana. Kōrero harihari whakawaira kwaira te take ka mate ai he hoa he whanaunga tuakana tuahine. Haha, aroha mai pai mai.
Physically needed to be mentally with you and me, holding it down from both sides, keeping 100 no fatigue, cutting the slack, holding the back, seeing you happy, that's my life. All that we needed to hold us together and make us feel stronger was nothing but time. My ride or die, my ride or die.
Baby, relax, I'll let you unwind on me. Make sure you smile, make sure you're fine, cause you're one of a kind. I love to spend a lot of time with you. Relax and kick back and watch some movies and that. But I just gotta know if the stress level is high or low. Baby, let me know. Baby, let me know. Yeah.
baby, won't you be mine? We can spend a lifetime, baby. Baby, won't you be mine? Ooh, baby, won't you be mine? We can spend a lifetime, baby. Baby, won't you be mine? Ooh,
See, I wanna take you home, but I gotta tell you my contraception so we can get along. Kotahi Tonga is where we are proud to belong. I know it ain't easy, that's why I wrote it in the song. Line in the sand, I'll take it like a man. When I say I love you so, R-E-S-P-E-C-T. No, your body emotion in your control means I understand when you say no. It's your boy Kitty, taking over the system with flows fresh out of the kitchen. So listen as I rap with facts, not fiction. Baby, I'm just trying to get your attention, so come over here, girl.
won't you be mine? We can spend a lifetime, baby. Baby, won't you be mine? Ooh, baby, won't you be mine? We can spend a lifetime, baby. Baby, won't you be mine? Ooh, mind, body, and soul. Baby boy, I'm in control. Mind, body, and soul. Baby boy, I'm in control. Baby, won't you be mine? We can spend a lifetime, baby. Baby, won't you be mine? Ooh, baby, won't you be mine? We can spend a lifetime, baby. Baby, won't you be mine? Ooh, baby, won't you be mine?
Gonna be rapping, it's gonna be fun, can't wait.
It would be mad to make a video.
Something that spreads more awareness. This is kind of a taboo subject.
Hopefully we get it all done.
#1 hit in the New Zealand top 40.
Don't go too quickly in a relationship. Make sure it's loyal, trust. Gotta actually have love instead of lust.
We didn't want to be main stars, but then we stepped up and did it, so hopefully this can help other people have a voice.
It's a pretty good thing though, doing a music video like this.